Ka Sorkar jela kala pynbna halor karai ban kyntiew ya tulop jong kumbashi hajar ars pa ngut ki nongtrei non-teaching staff ka samagra shiksha abhiyan SSA da 8% ka bantrei kam nadu ka shitari yayong arajar arpusau. Ya kini karai jong ka Sorkar jela la pentip da special officer in charge education department lingba ka shithi sha state project director samagra shiksha SEMAM But Director of School Education and Literacy Meghalaya haka arpundriu tering naitung arajar arpusau. Kat kum ke shithi kala ong halor kamat bala kedo haneng la btha yanga ban pynbna ya ke jingmenjor jong ka Sorkar ban kyntiew da 8% ya ke tulop jong ki office staff ka samagra shiksha non academics haka jela district bat block MIS DEO bat accountant bat ka ban trekam nadu ka snemang tengka jong u arajar arpusau arajar arpusan kata nadu shitarik yayong arajar arpusau. Ya kini ke jingmenjor lapan mi halor ka shithi ka tenat finance EA kabab khat pratarik naitung arajar arpusau kini kala yo ya ke jingmenjor na ki bor badek mi ha ka waipat ke benta ka all Meghalaya SSA non-teaching staff association AMSSA and TSA ha ka lai pui tarik naitung kala sedang ya ke jingyakhi da ka basyong kelan mungor hamadan malki bandawa na ka Sorkar jela bakan kyntiew no ya ke tulop ke jongki. Habaya keren badik nong thok kubor u finance secretary kaseng uriki shulai ulaong. Kila rai ban penlong ya kini gajingya ki syong kelany mungor ka baklem bu por. Bandawa na ka Sorkar jela bakan perkat ban penkiu ya ketulop jongi ringkat ke jingkiu arpesen kat kum ke seniority bat 1% man lau snem. Kekong Jennifer Sendrem Presiden kaseng kalau ong bakaseng kala kentak ya ke arpusan persen ke jing kentiu ya ketulop jongki bat banjur ya ke Sorkar ban kentiu prapo persen.
Kani ka sit in demonstration ka dibang ming pitsngo ya ka Sorkar jungi bakan ay ka enhancement ka jungi ka bala diu mentala prasnem te hoit kila jubat ya kata kila ong ban ay 8% kung ba pilay I mentan ru ki group jungi kimtre ek 8% bangi ngimban siki leaders nila long ka meeting men 8% terik balada kim ay kata ka prapho persen yangi dengi ngim kidon na pleng jungi ngibro kim ngimya kwa hakatu singi ngidon ko ban ru spa ngut tami ay tambah kiau ong baik ngim yakwa kementan rupla I da ka khamat lajong bagini ki member jungi kim yakwa ya kata ka 8% nomor kamlong justified so nakata ka daw ni wan ban syong ngani sit in demonstration bang ikwa ban pesngo pesngap ka Sorkar ikwa ban pa ki jing duai ki jing kepat ki jungi ya ka Sorkar bukan sengap lem ni ki jing ki jungi nomor belai katkum ka jing kiau ki mar ki mata ya kata ka ngi hapshna ya kata ka price ya kata ka salary ke jongi 8% prasnem te kamsul ngatrai kamong justified ke denata ka daw ni sapoy banya syong ni tabangia ongro bangin abide by all the rules and regulation bala ai da ka Sorkar ni dan nadu arhajar abulahi ngilali ya kani takadaw ni sapoy hadu kat ngi food ru kade bingi lapen snow sangap ka Sorkar nadu arhajar abulahi kita ki balong written document mo ladang ngim tho ngim tip dei ladang ngi tho ngi tip tingi lasdang man tho nadu arhajar abulahi ngilali hi shiki ba de ban pej ki education minister kini ngilali kendo kumi director jungi ngilali kendo ngilali hi ta kam ka jungi na level ka jungi ke jing bam sutu jibut ne tip kadai ke ka bapelong hadu kat ni ba kamya ni ngamla ban bataya kata namar don na preng jung ngimo ki ba suthu bahaya ka kam don na preng jung ki nongtrei ki bam suthu bahaya ka kam ne don ka transfer don ki ba resign no ashteng po don ki bun ki don ki bele si o kim long committed ne le si kami hab ka topik ka jung ki le si o de taru tabang apa nang ban batai hiru ya kata tabang rei le si o de kata we have to show them the way kan included the district tamaki garo kin sajay na mangiyo ay ka permission rumenen na IDC jungi ru ngiyo adu san shidang ay kumto tena kata kadaw ki garo hills ki bana dangwan na garo hills ki dang join ng pagidang nanti.
This sit in demonstration is a demand for the 80% enhancement plus 2% increment based on seniority and 5% annually increment. That is our main objective. So we're not against the government, but we are demanding this as the member of this association to demand this rights of the staff. This enhancement has been delayed since the year of 2016. It's almost 8 years. 1200 plus the member of all the non-teaching staff The last time was in the year of 2016. We already met the education minister in charge. We already met the director and all. So till date we have not received any. That means till date we have not received any kind of assurance that will give that enhancement. In each and every meeting we have met him. He has given us the assurance that even he himself has assured that this is a genuine case. So till date we have not got it in written that the enhancement we have not get it in written letter. So he has already assured us that he will do the needful. That's all. Members, as per the last general meeting we are held here, we have agreed that we'll sit here as sit in demonstration indefinite strike. Till our demand are met, we will not stop this agitation. We are working very hard in achieving the performance of the education department. Most of our staff are working late. Sometimes we have to work even in holiday time also. Sometimes we have to work even on Saturday, Sunday. Most of our job has been done online. So that's what our problem has been faced. So we want to work for the betterment of the government, for the betterment of our office, and also we want that our pay will be equal pay with the. We have to stick to that the demand of the association that it will be equal pay, equal work. We have got a letter from the director that they have given us the letter to enhance our salary for 25%. But as if we have decided as the general meeting, all the members we have decided that we should have stick this 80%. We have to stick this to decision made by the general meeting that 80% enhancement. We are not satisfied with this 25% because it has been for almost 8 years. So that means if you divide it for 80%, it will become to 8% per year. And plus we need that assurance from the office, from the director, that he'll give us an assurance that it will be 80% plus the 5% annually.